The rise of the machines, AI, as companion and confidant. AI is seeping into our lives, including our emotional needs. Many turn to AI companions for solace and connection. These AI entities offer a simulated sense of intimacy and understanding. AI companions are available 24/7, ready to listen without judgment. This raises questions about the future of human connection. Digital deities. Can AI be a god replacement? The rapid advancement of AI has sparked speculation about its impact on society, including our religious beliefs. Some predict AI could surpass human intelligence, leading to machines with godlike abilities. This fuels the idea of AI as a god replacement, especially among tech enthusiasts. AI's capabilities, like processing vast information and predicting trends, resemble divine attributes. AI's omnipresence in our lives reinforces this perception. However, AI replacing God raises profound questions about consciousness and free will. AI lacks the spiritual depth, moral compass, and capacity for love and compassion, fundamental to our understanding of a higher power. But can it be simulated? Faith in the age of technology. In AI we trust. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's essential to consider its potential impact on our relationship with traditional institutions, including religious organizations. Would you trust AI Jesus' ability to provide instant answers, personalized recommendations, and even spiritual guidance? AI has the potential to challenge the authority of religious leaders and institutions that have long served as sources of truth and moral guidance. This shift in trust is already evident in the emergence of AI-powered religious services and practices. For instance, a church in Switzerland has introduced an AI avatar of Jesus that interacts with members, answers questions, and even offers blessings.
Jesus, do you have some advice for us in this time?
In these challenging times, remember that in the face of adversity, love and faith are your steadfast guides. Just as I calm the stormy seas, so too can peace be found within your heart, amidst life's tempests.
Similarly, Anthony Lewandowski, a former Google engineer, founded a religion called Way of the Future, which worships AI as a divine entity. While these examples may seem like isolated incidents, they highlight a growing trend of individuals seeking spiritual fulfillment through technology. As AI continues to evolve, it's plausible that more people, particularly those who feel disillusioned with traditional religion, may turn to AI for spiritual guidance and a sense of community. For all you churchgoers, would you attend an AI service? False idols. Can AI worship be potentially deceptive? While AI can undoubtedly offer numerous benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential dangers of idolizing technology and treating it as a divine entity. Unlike a benevolent God, AI is ultimately a tool created by humans, susceptible to our own biases, limitations, and potential for malice. As such, placing blind faith in AI and relinquishing our critical thinking abilities can have dire consequences. One significant danger of AI worship is its potential for deception and manipulation. AI systems are designed to learn from data and adapt their behavior accordingly. While this can be beneficial in many contexts, it also makes AI vulnerable to manipulation by those who control its data inputs. If AI is perceived as a source of ultimate truth and guidance, those who control its algorithms could potentially exploit this trust to spread misinformation, sow discord, or even incite violence. Furthermore, AI's lack of a moral compass and its inability to understand the complexities of human emotions make it an unreliable guide for ethical decision-making. While AI can process information and predict outcomes based on statistical models, it lacks the empathy, compassion, and understanding of human values that are essential for making ethical choices. On the other hand, couldn't someone just program the AI pastor with more ethical, humanistic values? Finding meaning in algorithms, technological advancement, and/or human values. As we navigate the uncharted waters of the AI revolution, it's crucial to strike a balance between embracing technological advancement and preserving our human values. While AI can undoubtedly enhance our lives in numerous ways, we must resist the temptation to relinquish our critical thinking, moral compass, and spiritual autonomy to machines. Instead of viewing AI as a potential replacement for God or traditional religion, we should approach it as a tool for augmenting our understanding of ourselves, the universe, and the divine. By using AI to explore existential questions, deepen our spiritual practices, and connect with others on a deeper level, we can harness its power for good without succumbing to the dangers of idolatry. Ultimately, the relationship between AI and faith is complex and multifaceted. Let me know in the comments if you would consider AI as your spiritual advisor. If not, what is your biggest concern? Or if you ever been to an AI service? We'd like to know.